Colloids and their classification. Thomas Graham studied the rate of diffusion of different solutions and characterized them into two groups. 1. Crystalloids. 2. Colloids. The substances like starch and gum, which are non-crystalline in nature and in the dissolved state diffuse at very low rate through the parchment membrane, were given the name as colloids. Colloids can be classified in three ways. 1. On the basis of state of dispersed phase and medium. Depending upon the dispersed phase and medium, 8 types of colloidal system are possible. 2. Based on the nature of interaction between dispersion phase and medium. A. Lyophilic colloids. It means liquid-loving. Substances like gum and rubber, which when mixed with a suitable liquid as the dispersion medium directly from the colloidal sol are lyophilic, and sols thus obtained are called lyophilic sols. B. Lyophobic colloids. It means water-hating. The substances like metal, when simply mixed with the dispersion medium, do not form a colloidal solution. Such substances are called lyophobic, and sols formed by them are called lyophobic sols. 3. Depending upon the particles of the dispersed phase. A. Multimolecular colloids. When the dispersion of a substance takes place in a dispersed medium, a large number of atoms or smaller molecules of a substance aggregate together to form species having size in the colloidal range. The species thus formed are called multimolecular colloids like gold and S8 sols. B. Associate colloids. Micelles. The substance which when dissolved in a medium at low concentration behave as normal, strong electrolyte, but at higher concentration exhibit colloidal state properties due to the formation of aggregation particle are called associate colloids. The aggregated particle thus formed is called micelles. The formation of micelles takes place only above a particular temperature, which is called as Kraft temperature Tk, and above a particular concentration called critical micelle concentration CMC. Let us take an example of soap solution. It is a higher sodium or potassium salt of fatty acids like sodium stearate CH3, CH2, 16, COO minus Na plus. When dissolved in water, it dissociates into RCOO minus and Na plus ions. RCOO minus consists of two parts, that is, non-polar long hydrocarbon chain R called its tail, which is hydrophobic, and other polar group COO minus called head, which is hydrophilic in nature. At higher concentration, these ions do not remain on the surface but are pulled into the bulk of the solution. As a result, RCOO minus ions form an aggregate of spherical shape with their hydrocarbon chain pointing towards the center and COO minus part pointing outwards from the center, which is called ionic micelle.